love you, Mommy. I love you. Don't leave us. I do. My husband's at a film festival this weekend. He's been gone the whole week. So sometimes you go into mode where you're like, I can just order Domino's every night. Or sometimes you do the reverse, which is how I've rolled this week, which is I'm gonna cook amazing, so he wants to come back. So I'm gonna make something I saw in Headbanger's Kitchen today that is a beautiful little spiralized zucchini pasta with this cream, bacon, mushroom sauce, and he's totally gonna want to come back. He doesn't even like zucchini. So bacon, you know, you can never have too much. I'm not gonna use all of this in the pasta, but then I'm just gonna have extra bacon. So I'm gonna pop this in at 400. Oh, camera antics, because my kitchen's so small. And we're gonna set that for 15 minutes and see how the bacon rolls. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get my spiralizer out and show you guys some fun. All right, I'm back with this crazy torture device. It has all kinds of fun knives that you put in here. It looks like a little guillotine. And swap, swap. And you can't put them back because that would be too easy. So this is the one I roll with my spiralizer. It gets nice thin slices, more like spaghetti. And we've got two beautiful pre-washed zucchini. I'm just gonna make some extra. I'm not gonna eat all of this right now, but God, this is enormous. Okay, are you ready? It's fun. And you can see the little pastas slowly coming out of the butthole. Okay, so, see all this? Yummy, it's spaghetti. So these will be nice soft noodles. Now one thing I do when I make zucchini noodles is this is very wet. So if you just throw it in a pan, it's gonna be a bunch of wet noodles. So I put some salt on it and let it sit for about 5 minutes. And that way it allows some of the water to get out. And then I'll pat it dry with a towel and move on to the next step. You know what, that is plenty. I'm just gonna make one batch. Look how much spaghetti noodles that is. One little zucchini. Boom. I'm gonna start with some olive oil and a little fresh garlic. I love my garlic press so hard. It is my favorite kitchen tool. We're just gonna ruin our lives by setting the house on fire. All right, there we go. Now here is some garlic. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And while we are browning that, I'm also gonna load in some fresh chopped mushrooms, which I did off camera. Ooh, ah. You don't need a ton of them. The zucchini and the mushrooms are not the star of this dish. It will clearly be the bacon. So, I need more olive oil. I usually roll with butter, but I'm kind of saving it for tonight. I'm low on butter, so get my fat in other ways. This is about the only oil I will cook with because they put so much crap in so many other oils, and it's not bueno for you. Alright, so, man, I miss butter. Come on, butter. This would be way better with butter, if you have it. Okay, so, I'm gonna load this in. Sizzle it around a little bit. This does not take long to cook at all. Now, this is giving it just a touch of moisture so everything doesn't burn. Stick to the non-stick pan. While we're doing that, a little salt, a little pepper. Yeah. And at this point, my best friend, heavy cream. But you guys love me. Okay. It's a little excessive. Check that out. We're just gonna turn the tap down and make a nice little cream sauce here. And the bacon is about to come out. I'm so excited about the bacon. Oh my god. Can't help it. 20 seconds. I gotta check. I gotta look at it. Oh, bacon. So as I said, the bacon is the star of this show. Ah! And my clumsy little hands. So let's just cut a bunch of bacon in here. Have a bacon party. Yes. Yes. It needs more. Also, fresh chopped parsley off camera. Bam! All right, it is done. Off. So that was super easy, despite all the pausing. It's just like a lovely little, oh, I can have pasta. Oh wait, no I can't. Oh yes I can. Can and gonna. Okay. I sprinkled some Parmesan cheese on because, again, it's keto, you can have the fat. Please don't suck, please don't suck. How can you suck? There's bacon. Oh my god, oh good. Oh good, guys. I miss pasta. Pasta's awesome. This is great. This is giving me all the Italian yumminess without all the Italian expansion in my belly. Bacon, garlic, I mean, whatever with the zucchini. It's just a reminder of what noodles used to be. So, yay, 2 thumbs up. Give me that fork, and see ya!